Hello, this is Dr. Richard Bandler.
This is John Laval. I'm the president of the Society of NLP with Richard Bandler.
Hi, I'm Owen Fitzpatrick, co-author of the book Memories with Dr. Richard Bandler and co-founder of the Irish Institute of NLP. And I'm very delighted to highly recommend Kamran Sultan of the First Institute of Dynamic Learning in Pakistan. Kamran is someone that I've seen train. I've worked with him and taught a workshop with him in Pakistan. And he's someone that has exquisite skills, one of the best NLP trainers I've seen. And it's an honor to work with someone of his caliber.
Something about Kamran Sultan. He is fantastic, and I highly recommend him for doing his seminars in your country. And I also want to say that he's been doing NLP for quite a long time, actually. Was trained by Richard many, many years ago. He's come to the United States to update his training, and he's really a great guy.
If you've got the opportunity to study with someone like him, like Kamran in Pakistan, in NLP, you won't find any better. So I highly recommend, if you want to learn NLP, learn from the best in Pakistan, learn from Kamran.
So, go see Kamran Sultan. He's a great guy and he does fantastic programs.
And if you're getting training in Pakistan, I want to recommend that you train with Kamran.